ClickBank is a renowned online marketplace that connects product creators with affiliate marketers. Founded in 1998, it boasts a vast array of digital products, ranging from ebooks to software. Affiliate marketers favor ClickBank for its ease of use, high commission rates, and the availability of diverse niches. By joining ClickBank, you gain access to thousands of products you can promote, earning commissions for each sale made through your links. This video will guide you through the basics of affiliate marketing on ClickBank, offering invaluable tips to kickstart your journey and maximize your earnings potential. Creating a ClickBank account is straightforward and can be done in a few simple steps. Begin by visiting the ClickBank website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide basic information such as your name, email, and country. Once you've completed the registration form, verify your email address by clicking on the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Remember to set up a secure password and complete your profile with accurate payment information to ensure you receive your commissions. This video will offer additional tips to help beginners avoid common pitfalls and optimize their accounts for success. Selecting profitable products on ClickBank requires careful analysis. Start by using the ClickBank marketplace to explore available products. Pay attention to the gravity score, which indicates the number of affiliates successfully promoting the product. Higher gravity often correlates with better selling items. Next, check the commission rates. Higher commissions mean more earnings per sale. Additionally, ensure the product aligns with your chosen niche for better audience engagement. It's wise to research the product's quality and customer reviews. This video will guide you through these factors, helping you make informed decisions and maximize your affiliate marketing success. Promoting your ClickBank affiliate links effectively involves using various strategies to reach your target audience. Blogging is a powerful method where you create content that naturally incorporates your affiliate links. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can also help, allowing you to share your links with a wider audience. Paid advertising, such as Google Ads or Facebook ads, can provide instant traffic, but requires careful budgeting and targeting. Each method has its pros and cons, and it's beneficial to experiment with multiple approaches to determine which works best for your specific niche and audience. Achieving long-term success in affiliate marketing with ClickBank involves several key strategies. First, regularly analyze your performance metrics to understand what's working and what isn't. Use tools like Google Analytics to track traffic and conversions. Continuous learning is crucial. Stay updated with the latest trends and best practices in affiliate marketing through courses and industry blogs. Lastly, be adaptable. Market conditions change, and successful marketers adjust their strategies accordingly. By focusing on these aspects, you can sustain and grow your affiliate marketing business effectively over time.